कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट। प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या।
Preparing for elections. After the Delhi elections, Amit sir said that alliance with Congress is the only way forward. What about 27 elections? Are we going to go solo or fight elections with
We
Congress?
are preparing to fight solo for the upcoming ZP elections, the municipality elections, and the 2027 assembly elections.
So you are saying there will be no alliance with Congress in 27?
There will be
That
no
is-
alliance. Aam Aadmi Party will be fighting on its own.
Will there be some room, because 2 years is a long time in politics, or we have taken a call?
As of now, Aam Aadmi Party has decided that we are going to contest all 3 elections, the Zilla Parishad elections, the municipal elections, and the assembly elections on our own.
Why no alliance, ma'am? Is there a
Well,
reasoning,
it is very
arithmetic?
clear that Congress cannot be trusted. Last time, 11 MLAs from the Congress won. 8 of them have gone into the BJP. Only 3 are left. And this is not the first time. In the previous government also, almost 80% of MLAs. Last time also, I think there were only 3 MLAs left. 1 MLA left. All of them went into the BJP. So how can the Congress party or their leadership or their MLAs even be trusted with an alliance when Congress MLAs after winning elections go into the BJP?